So the OnePlus Open 2 will be the first foldable phone to achieve this in the international market. Last year, OnePlus officially released their first foldable phone, the OnePlus Open, with a good design and specification that were liked by many users over the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This was a great feedback for their first foldable phone. Now OnePlus is all set to introduce the second generation of the OnePlus Open, which again target the Galaxy Z Fold phone, but this time with a focus on improving the in-hand feel. Yes, the OnePlus Open 2 could be the new thinnest foldable phone. The Weibo leaker DCS posted and then deleted details about the OPPO Find N5, also known as the OnePlus Open 2. The information included a 2K folding screen, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, and a triple back camera system with a 50-megapixel main camera and an unspecified periscope camera. But one of the most notable claims is that the OPPO Find N5 could have a folded thickness of 9 mm. Not only that, DCS also mentioned that this thickness will be a record-breaking. That means it will be thinner than the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and potentially in the same ballpark as the Honor Magic V3. It is also believed that the OPPO Find N5 could feature an alert slider and a water-resistant design. This would be an improvement over the Find N3 and the OnePlus Open's IPX4 rating for splash resistance. While information on the OnePlus Open 2 has been minimal so far, but we have seen one other major rumor. According to another post by DCS, OPPO and Vivo are currently working together to feature a 6000 mAh batteries on their foldables. This is not only a massive battery for a foldable phone, but would even challenge the battery size of any of the devices offering the best battery life on a phone. See, there is still a long wait for any solid information about the OnePlus Open 2 or whatever it will be named. However, we can see the first teaser of the OnePlus Open 2 at the launch event of the OnePlus 13, which is expected to be in the October or November of this year. So what do you think of this OnePlus Open 2? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.